In this video, I show you how to create links on your YouTube homepage. If this video helps you, please remember to like and subscribe. Welcome everyone, my name is Joe, and in this video we're going to go over creating links on your YouTube homepage, which will appear just where my mouse is hovering over now, to the right hand side of the channel banner. So the first thing we want to do is go over to Customize Channel, and then click on the About tab. And at the bottom here, you see a links section. Click on the links and choose how many links you want to display, up to 5. Then click Add. And in the first box, you can give it a title. So for example, we might want to select Twitter. And you can type this yourself. They were just pre-filled for me. So I'm going to select Twitter and then paste in your Twitter URL. So once that's pasted in, all you need to do is then click Add to add any extras, or Done to finish the section. Now, as you can see, it's instantly found the Twitter logo, and it's called Twitter because that's what I called it. If you want to come over here and edit this for any reason, then you come back to this screen. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add a few more things. And there we go. So as you can see, there's 5 or there's 4, and I'm going to show you something here in a second, but there's 5 things populated, and you can add more, but basically what it's saying here is only the first 5 will ever show on your channel art. So you could have many more options here, but they'll only display if you go into the About tab on your homepage, whereas the first 5 will show up on your channel art as well. So it's important to get your most important ones kind of in priority order. Now let me go and delete them. The reason that I've left this one blank is because you can do a special kind of subscribe option on your channel homepage. So let me just quickly pull up a different channel. So here we are on the Ubitronics homepage, and as you can see, the first 5 icons are all displayed here. And the first one that I've currently left blank in the example is this one here. So as you can see, you can have the YouTube button and it says subscribe, and when you click on it, it gives you the option to subscribe to your channel. So if you want that, I'm going to show you how to do that now. I'm just going to flick back over to the other channel, and here we are. So type in subscribe, and then in the URL, you want to find your homepage URL. You do that by going to, I'm going to make a new tab, go back to YouTube, and then select your icon and go to your channel. And as you can see up here, you've got your channel, and what you want to do is select everything from the left of the question mark. So you see there's a question mark there. This is your channel URL, and this is the whole thing. So let's copy that. And again, we want to ignore this bit here, so do not copy that. Head back over and paste that in. So this is the URL that's going to go straight to your homepage, which right now seems a little bit pointless because you're already on your homepage to be viewing this particular button. What you can do is add this to the end of that URL. So question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. I'm just going to copy it in and paste it on there. And now what that will do is pop up that button if you are not subscribed. If you are subscribed, it will just kind of refresh the page. But if you're not subscribed, so if any subscribers that want to subscribe and they're looking at that area, then they can click that button and it will give them the confirmation of subscription. So I'm going to click done. And as you can see, it looks like the other channel that I was demonstrating just now, plus my other few icons. And I'm just going to go back to my channel homepage. And as you can see now, you've got the 4 or 5 buttons with the subscription just there. I hope this has been helpful. If you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.